Good morning or good afternoon, ladybirds and bumblebees. Now today in maths we're going to be looking at one more and one less. Now I know something that really helps us with that is to do lots of counting. So we've got someone to help us today, and here is our friend Sweep. Hi Sweep. And should we count with him? So I want you to count out loud with me. We'll start on, we'll start on number 13. So are we ready? Off we go. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, well done everyone. Now, yeah, we will. Shall we start at 30 and we're going to count back down? It's a bit harder, so let's all stay together. Are we ready? You ready, Sweep? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Well done, Sweep, and well done, children. Right, we'll see Sweep again another time. Bye, Sweep. Okay, now, here's my whiteboard again, and you can see on here we've got, once again, I've got two tens frames. We've got one complete tens frame, so one group of 10, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 extra ones. So what number am I showing? Just call out, and hopefully you agree we've got number 14. Okay, now I'm going to call these space coins. So we've got 14 space coins. But then I find another one. So I've got another space coin. So I'm going to add that to my 10 frame. So we've got one more space coin. Now we had 14 and I've just found one more. So how many space coins have I got now? Call it out or write it down. Well, I've still got one group of 10. This time I've got 5 extra ones. So one more than 14 is 15. There we go. Now, this time I'm going to go back to my 14 space coins again. So let's make that 14 again. And this time I'm going to take one of my space coins away. So you ready? I had 14, I'm taking one away. How many space coins have I got now? 10. Yeah, you're right. It's 13. So I've got 3 extra. 1 10 and 3 extra, 13. So 1 less than 14 is 13. So when you're working out 1 more, 1 less, you can use counters or Lego bricks or buttons, and that can help you. Okay. Another thing that can help you is using a number line. So if you're using numbers 1 more, 1 less up to 20, a number line is very useful. If you're doing bigger numbers, you can use 100 square, and I'll leave some links for you to find some really good number square activities for 1 more and 1 less. Okay, now let's look at this problem together. Call out the answer if you know it or write it down. So 1 more. Right, Annie counts 10 sweets in her bag, but then she finds 1 more stuck inside the bag. So she counted 10, but she found 1 more. How many jelly babies, sweeties, does she now have? So 1 more than 10. This is easy, isn't it? I think. Let's have a look. I'm sure you're right. 1 more than 10 is 11. So she's got 11 jelly babies now. Okay, well done. Let's try this one. Out in the garden, Rosie saw some birds on trees. Lots of birds sitting on the branches. Now I've just noticed there's 5 birds on each branch. So should we count in 5s to count them up? 5, 10, 15. So Rosie counted 15 birds. But then Rosie went away, and when she got back, there was one less bird sitting on the branches. One must have flown away. So how many birds were there now? One less than 15. Shall we see if you're right? And here we go. One less than 15 is 14. Did you get it right? Okay, now, here's a game you can play. Now, what I've done, I've cut out 9 pieces of paper, squares of paper, and I've written 9 numbers, a number on each piece. Now, I'll tell mums and dads which numbers to use for this. Okay, now you can play this with your mum or your dad or your brother or your sister. Decide who's going first, and the first person chooses 2 squares to turn over. So here we go. I'll choose this one, I think. Right, what number have I got? 13. Then I'm going to turn another one over. Let's try this one. 9. Now, what I want to find, I want to try and turn 2 cards over which are one more or one less than each other. So is 13 one more than 9?